Good afternoon, everybody. It's Jeff from New York, and today we are here in Atlantic City on the iconic Atlantic City Boardwalk, historic Atlantic City Boardwalk. It's a late summer day here, and we're here to check out Bally's. We come back quite often to Bally's because it's under new ownership, lots of stuff going on. I want to see if there's any changes since I've been here several weeks ago, and I'm going to take you guys along with me. Caesars sold this place about a year ago, and one of the first things the new owners did was move the sports book to the front or the boardwalk area of the casino. And then I was here about a couple months ago, and they started doing some changes to the casino floor, and some restaurants were being closed down. On this trip, we're going to see some new restaurants opening up, continued work on the casino floor, and a couple of other changes. As you saw when we walked in, there's a Johnny Rockets on the left-hand side of Bally's here. And fingers crossed that nothing happens to that restaurant. It's the only Johnny Rockets on the Atlantic City Boardwalk. You go down the Las Vegas Strip, there's a Johnny Rockets almost in every hotel and casino. This is the only one here. I really like Johnny Rockets. I hope it doesn't go anywhere with all the restaurant changes going on in this place. Anyway, let's see what's going on here at Bally's, shall we? On the right here we have Noodle Village, and I'm a little confused about what's going on with Noodle Village here. From what I understand, they're opening up a new noodle place, or perhaps it's already opened. It's going to be called Red Bowl 88, and I'm not sure if it's replacing Noodle Village, if it's going to be in addition to, which I doubt. If it's going to be in addition to Noodle Village. Hopefully by the time I do my next Bally's video, I'll have it all straightened out. But there's some activity going on here with regards to the noodle restaurant at Bally's. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. This entire alcove of the casino floor seems to be all poker machines. We're going to head up to the 6th floor. This is a very long escalator here at Bally's, and we're going to check out what changes have been made to the restaurants upstairs. Hold on tight. A couple of you guys asked about happy hours here in Atlantic City, and I responded to the comments individually, but in most of the comments I mentioned Guy's Chop House. It has a very nice happy hour, and it's got great views of the ocean as well. This is Water Dog, which just replaced Buca di Pepe, the Italian restaurant, and Water Dog serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Here you can find lobster rolls, seared sea bass, and truffle-grilled filet mignon. They have artisanal bagels with house-smoked fish and stacked New York-style sandwiches. Along with an array of unique and healthy choices, it makes Water Dog's AC the newest culinary destination. Sorry for that camera shot, I might have gotten you a little dizzy. And I haven't had any here, but from what I understand, they make a mean cocktail as well. And getting back to happy hours, if you don't like Guy's Chop House happy hour, this is just a few steps away. They have one as well. It's 7 days a week, 4 to 6 p.m. They have $4 Bud Light drafts, $5 select wines by the glass, $10 Water Dog hot cocktails, and live entertainment on the weekend. So, good place to check out, especially since it's brand new. There's a lot of new restaurants here at Bally's, but of all of them, the one that's at the top of my bucket list is Jerry Longo's Meatballs and Martinis. I've never heard of this place. Apparently they have restaurants in several areas in the Northeast. The place is supposed to be very authentic Italian, and from what I understand, the thing to order here is the antipasto, whether you're sitting at the table or the bar. They slice the meats and cheeses fresh when you order the antipasto. And it's just a place I'm dying to try out. It wasn't open while I was here today, and I'm looking forward to coming back. And who can go wrong with meatballs and martinis, And the experience is further elevated by 2 blackjack tables within the restaurant, plus multiple televisions, live music, and even DJ entertainment. As you probably noticed, the 6th floor here at Bally's has a big open area, and this Halloween they're going to throw a big costume party, and if I'm not in Vegas, I might come here. You should come dressed because there's prizes given out. They're also going to have a Bee Gees tribute band here playing a lot of Bee Gees songs, and it sounds like a good time. I haven't checked out the prices or anything, but I'll keep you guys posted. Just check out that community page on the New York channel. And coming up here on the left is the brand new Bally's Players Club. The Caesars reward card is no longer accepted here since it's under new ownership. But from what I understand, I may be wrong, but from what I understand, I'm pretty sure they will match your tier if you have another rewards card. And then there's good old Harry's Oyster Bar. I just did a video here a couple of weeks ago. You can check it out here on the New York channel. I was unaware as I was eating here that the restaurant's days were numbered. Their lease is up, they're moving out. I don't know if they're going to open anywhere else in the city. I'll keep you guys abreast on that. But like I said, lots of changes going on here at Bally's. Harry's has been an institution. It's going to be missed, but maybe it'll show up somewhere else. Time will tell. And we're just going to take a quick walk down this hallway to show you, I think we're going to show you the Wild Wild West, which is part of Caesars. Caesars did not sell the Wild Wild West to the new owners of Bally's, so that's still Caesars. And just a quick shot of Wild Wild West here at Caesars. Again, it's not part of Bally's, which is what this video is all about, but if you want to see more of the Wild Wild West, check out the Caesars video. There's many of them here in Atlantic City on the New York channel. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. And as we head towards the front desk or reception area, we have the L bar here, or the lobby bar, and that god-awful brass ceiling or gold ceiling, or I don't know what that is, but it's very 80s. The place has new owners, new management. Please replace that ceiling and this god-awful carpet while you're at it. Also in this area of Bally's is a pictorial tribute to the history of the Miss America contest. And while I'm at it, a shout out to Johnny P, who found Mitzi the Rubber Ducky Showgirl in my latest Las Vegas video, the MGM room tour as well as the pools tour. Lots of pools there and a lazy river. Great video. Check it out here on the New York channel. Congratulations, Johnny P. And the surprise off the lobby here is that there is no Starbucks, it's a Dunkin Donuts. It's a rather large Dunkin Donuts at that, and I kind of like Starbucks coffee more. Actually, the best coffee I think is McDonald's coffee, but I do like Starbucks more than Dunkin Donuts. However, Dunkin Donuts I feel has better food than Starbucks. Heading back towards the front desk area in the lobby bar, on the left-hand side here we have the Bally's gift shop. And right off the gift shop is a short set of escalators to go up about half a flight. Hold on tight. Up here you'll find your way to the business center as well as various ballrooms, and they also have Carluccio's Pizza up here as well. Carluccio's is family owned, and their menu selections include pizza, fresh salads, wings, calzones, and more. Buon appetito! This Walking Dead slot machine caught my eye as I was walking through the casino, and I thought I'd slip 20 bucks in and see what happens. Normally I'd let the slot machine make all the sounds here, but it didn't seem to be working on this machine, and the volume button didn't seem to work either on it, and I guess that's what you get for putting only $20 in a slot machine. I guess if you want all the features, you have to put in at least 40. Don't forget to check out my book, 50 Attractions and Many Tips When Visiting Las Vegas. It's down at the bottom in the description of this video that you're watching. It's only $4.99, instantly downloaded to your computer. Tons of pictures and fantastic tips if you plan on visiting Sin City. Hey! Something's wrong with this machine here. I put in $20, it only worked for a few minutes. Well, as we can see, there is a lot going on here at Bally's. They've got 2 new restaurants upstairs. They've got that water dog as well as the meatballs and martini. I definitely want to try out that meatballs and martini, but let's check out that water dog as well someday. And downstairs we have Harry's moving out. They're pretty much at their last days by the time this is uploaded. And curious to see what's going to take its place. The casino, there's a lot of movement going around with machines, and they're changing the felts, and obviously one of the first things they did was move the sports bar. Lots going on here, lots more probably gonna go on. I'm gonna come back shortly in a couple of weeks and see what else is going on here. What'd you think of Bally's? Leave a comment below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.